So you want to know about the massive updates that I did to my Ender 3 Pros and the CR10 so that they can all print like modern day printers? I've actually wanted to talk about this setup because I think it's really cool. Obviously, they're not actually on steroids, and to answer your question, no, the boards aren't being overclocked either. They just don't have to process as much anymore. My printers all run the Klipper firmware. With Klipper, I can override my printer's settings and tell them how fast they're capable of printing. And like I said, the printer's motherboard doesn't do the calculations anymore. It's usually done by a small computer like a Raspberry Pi. And that is usually paired with something like this, Octoprint, which lets you manage your printers and their settings from a web browser. Now the printers can actually go back and forth very fast, but they can only push out so much plastic. So I give them an upgraded hot end that holds more melted plastic and it lets them extrude at a faster rate. That is what you need to go fast, but if you've got a keen eye, you may have noticed that there's not a single Raspberry Pi here. And that's why this setup is cool. Because instead of plugging into a Raspberry Pi, all of these printers plug into this custom 3D printed wall plate back here. The USB from the wall plate all runs into this like 10-year-old Mac Mini, and it acts like a bunch of Raspberry Pis and does all the calculations. So the one computer is simultaneously controlling all these printers. Not that guy. See, I told you it was cool.